Dusty Miller, Senecio cineraria, known for its silvery gray foliage, is a popular ornamental plant, often grown for its unique appearance. Here are some steps to help you successfully grow and care for Dusty Miller. Choose the right location. Dusty Miller prefers full sun to partial shade. Select a spot in your garden that receives at least 4–6 hours of direct sunlight daily. It can tolerate some shade but may become leggy if it doesn't get enough light. Prepare the soil. Ensure the soil is well draining to prevent root rot. Sandy or loamy soil is ideal. You can improve drainage by adding organic matter like compost to the soil before planting. Planting. Dusty Miller can be grown from seeds, but it's more common to purchase young plants from a nursery or garden center. Plant them in the spring after the last frost date in your area. Space the plants 12–18 inches apart, as Dusty Miller can spread out. Plant them at the same depth as they were in their nursery containers. Watering. Dusty Miller prefers moderately moist soil, but is relatively drought-tolerant once established. Water the plant when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Avoid overwatering to prevent root rot. Mulch. Apply a layer of mulch around the plants to help retain moisture and suppress weeds. This will also keep the soil temperature more stable. Fertilizing. Dusty Miller doesn't require heavy feeding. You can apply a balanced, slow-release fertilizer in the spring when new growth begins. Avoid excessive nitrogen, as it can promote leafy growth at the expense of foliage color. Pruning. Regularly pinch or trim the tips of the plant to encourage bushier growth and prevent it from becoming too leggy. Pruning can also help maintain its shape and appearance. Deadheading. Remove spent flowers to encourage continuous blooming and prevent the plant from putting energy into seed production. Pest and disease management. Dusty Miller is generally resistant to pests and diseases, but occasionally it can be susceptible to aphids or spider mites. Monitor your plants regularly and take appropriate action if you notice any issues. Insecticidal soap or neem oil can help control pests. Overwintering. In colder climates, Dusty Miller is often treated as an annual plant. However, it can be grown as a perennial in USD hardiness zones 8–10. In colder zones, you can either bring potted plants indoors for the winter or cover outdoor plants with mulch or protective material to insulate them from frost. By following these care instructions, you should be able to grow healthy and attractive Dusty Miller plants in your garden or containers.